So hello guys, how are you all? In today's video we will talk about that how Free De La Hoya got the dynamic barrel system, and not only that, who made Free De La Hoya a blade with a dynamic barrel system, means who made Vanish Fafnir for free. So in this whole video we will discuss about who made this Vanish Fafnir and how Free De La Hoya got the dynamic barrel system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, we all know that dynamic barrel system was introduced by Bell, and Bell is the only one character who had a dynamic blade known as Dynamic Bellal, and the second one who had a dynamic barrel system blade is not another than our Rantaro family Ranzu, or it was Ranzu, whatever was his name, please comment down below. So here comes our biggest mystery, how Free De La Hoya got this battle system. So first of all, we will discuss about Free. As you know that Free was watching the battle of Louis versus Bell and also the Vault versus Bell. So Free had seen the battle of Louis and Vault, and somehow he managed to understand the new system. And here come a part, is Free is the one who made that blade by himself? Because as we know, in Beyblade Burst series the bladers make their blade by themselves, but this is a dynamic battle system which is very complex. So here come a part that the Free had not only made by himself the blade, because as we all know there is a guy who made blade for Free De La Hoya. As we know, the guy, his name nothing else is Roll, and Roll is the only one person who make blade for Free De La Hoya. But here comes a big question, is Roll really know about the dynamic barrel system, which is very complex, means which is very different with sparking and other base? Is Roll is only one who made that blade for Free De La Hoya? And here comes our answer, yes, Roll is the only one who made that blade for Free De La Hoya, which is known as Vanish Fafnir. First of all, we can discuss about how he made. As you know that Free had seen all of these matches of Bell, and even he knows about all the details about how the dynamic battle system work. As I said before that Free De La Hoya has seen each and every battle of Bell, such as he's also seen the battle with Louis and Ranzo and also Voltawi. So somehow Free De La Hoya managed to collect all the information about dynamic barrel system, and after collecting all this information, he must have given all the information to Roll, make a dynamic blade for him, and he must also help him to how the dynamic Beyblade system work and how it looks like. We all know that dynamic blades have two modes, such as upper mode and lower mode. Upper modes are very stable, but in lower mode the case is very different. But as you know that lower mode has very heavy weight and the attack power is also increase of blade. But in lower mode there is a very big disadvantage, and the disadvantage is that blade stamina decreases very fast. Means if someone use the lower mode, the attack power will increase but stamina will decrease a lot. In stamina battle the lower mode is like useless. Now you must be thinking how Free De La Hoya give all this information to Roll. There is the answer is that the Free De La Hoya has recorded all the clips of Bell and given Roll, and that's how he also helped Roll to make his blade. Because as we all know that Free De La Hoya owns a blade which is a left rotating bay and also a spin stealing bay. So he somehow also helped Roll to make his blade much stronger than before. So as we know that Mirage Fafnir was a sparking generation blade which have very less chances to stand against Bell. So I hope you understand that who made Vanish Fafnir for free and how he made it. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and make it blue, and also subscribe our channel for more amazing videos, and also support us by sharing these videos, and also please give your feedback in comment section, because this was my first video in English on Beyblade. Till then, do whatever you want to do. Goodbye.